protection against violence and abuse. In today's special episode, we'll showcase touring the world
Delhi
and see
hospitals only for
what it's like for
Delhiites.
them to live in.
Neighboring states, neighboring
The
people
coronavirus
cannot come and
outbreak
take treatment
has
for
led to
coronavirus.
extended lockdown.
So that was what decided today by the Delhi Chief Minister. Not Chief Minister alone. It's the cabinet meeting, and they have decided that some of the beds would be reserved. See, every state has to take care of its people, and so they would be doing it. But I don't know whether it's fair to say that. But if there's an emergency, help should be given. Anyway, today's video is about a follow-up of my previous video on not using Chinese products. Let's not misunderstand this. I'm not telling to completely ban Chinese products. Practically, it's impossible. But there is a way where we can slowly, step by step, sort of achieve a minimal usage of imported products. And I was going through the comments and feedbacks and even some messages which I got after posting that video. Some I would want to categorize those people into three. One is typical Deshbhakt. They are not ready to look into any other things. They just want to ban Chinese products. The second one is they say that yes, we should try to stop using Chinese products as much as possible. We should promote Indian brands and we should help Indian manufacturers. And the third one is it's impossible. Why are you trying stupid things? We are going to lose more. China is such a big country. We have to depend on China. There is no other choice. So I am sort of in the middle part. See, even if I am able to avoid one single product and say no, I'm not going to use this because this is made in China. I have an Indian alternative. I want to use it. That's what I'm thinking. And I want my vendors, my manufacturers to produce more and more good products in India, sell more and more Indian products. We need Indian products. That's what I am trying to say. Now, to say ban Chinese products completely, don't touch Chinese products, practically not possible. Because China, as I told you, is a manufacturing hub for the world. Lots of things unknowingly we buy and use Chinese products every day. Even this Gorilla Pod, it's made in China, but I purchased it in India. I got it from Amazon. I don't have an Indian alternative for this. It's an American product, but it's manufactured in China. Apple phones, it's a US product, but it's manufactured in China. So it's practically impossible to ban 100% Chinese products anywhere in the world. That has to be agreed. There may be some countries or some places or some villages where there are no Chinese products used, but when we are using the latest technology, even the computer hardwares, lots of Chinese products are there. So what I am trying to say is, let's start off by selecting at least few products. At least try our best that we are not going to use this product because it is made in China. I have an Indian alternative. I am going to use that. That's what I feel that we have to try to do. The third type of people who are sort of totally discouraging and telling us that it is impossible to fight with China, it's impossible to stop using Chinese products. See, those are the people, either they might be involved in a business with Chinese products, they are selling Chinese products, they are making a lot of money. Let me tell you, products from China comes cheap. Suppose I want to buy 1,000 of these hoodies. For me to get the cheapest hoodies would be from China, and they will do it in no time. They have really good manufacturing facilities, and you can get it really fast. You can get it really cheaper than anywhere in the world. That's 100% agreed. I don't say that it's not good products, we don't get things on time, it's costly or nothing. They have all the advantages. What I am trying to tell here is, why can't we in India start or attempt to do it? Why can't we do it? Yes, definitely it will take some time. Unless we give it a start, we cannot do it. If we still think that okay, it is easy for me, for I'll tell you a manufacturer, suppose he is getting an order for 10,000 of so and so units of so and so product. It is very easy for him to place an order to a Chinese company. They will manufacture it as per his specification, send it here, he can supply to a contract, supply to his customer and make a margin money. That's easiest thing, rather than employing 500 people, getting the raw materials, manufacturing, all these kinds of headaches. It's easy money. If you are using Chinese manufacturing system, it's easy money. I do agree. The manufacturer, it's easy. For a vendor, it's easy because the margins are really high for the Chinese products. See, I was just going to small things at a shop here locally. It was a shop where they sell all toys and day-to-day things actually. 70% of the things are from China. And we really don't notice it. Really, we don't notice it. Most of the things are from China. Vega hair trimmer. Siska. I thought Irfan Khan is the brand ambassador, it is made in India. No man, it is made in China. So we need to change. I told that vendor, see, I don't want to use this because it's made in China. I want an Indian made in India product. I got a made in India product. So we need to really look into what we are buying and take decision. Let's start off. This is my appeal. This is my request to all the fellow Indian brothers and sisters. Let's support Indian products. Let's support Indian manufacturers. And it is very important for Indian manufacturers, Indian vendors to join hands and take this forward. I do agree that there are so many Chinese manufacturers, companies in India giving jobs to many Indians. I do agree that. I don't have any second thought on that. There are companies, there are so many people leaving because of China in India. I do agree, so many smartphone companies, so many other companies are there in India. But we need to make things in India. That's what I'm trying to tell. I'm trying to stress and say that let's make things in India. See, there are so many mobile companies in India. They are Chinese companies, but they still manufacture in India for the Indian market. Make in India. At least try to use products which is made in India. Let's stress on make in India. So for me, what I am thinking is, let me search for a pure Indian product which is fully made in India. If I'm not able to get that, the kind of product which I want, I'm not able to get it from pure Indian brand. Suppose, for example, a smartphone, which is basically a Chinese brand, but it has an Indian manufacturing, or it's an American product. It is made in India. Samsung has a really big manufacturing facility in India. In fact, they make phones in India for other parts of the world. There are so many companies in India, international brands, they make in India. They are contributing to our economy. They are giving jobs to Indians, and they are really helping in improving our economy. So there's nothing wrong in supporting them. A made in India foreign brand. Okay, fine. That is also a second choice for me. And my third choice would be, there are no other choice. I need to depend on a product which is made outside India. Then I have to go for it. There's no other choice for me. That's what I feel, which I can do. That's what I'm going to try to do. See, for me, even if I am able to use one Indian product more or avoid a product which is not made in India, that's for me contributing to the growth of my country. That's the only thing I'm trying to say here. No hard feelings for people who work for Chinese companies, because I was going through the Quora topic of banning Chinese products, and I found most of the posts supporting China by Indians. Either they are working for a Chinese company or trying to support Chinese products for some reasons. I really don't know. They say that China is a very big country. India cannot if India bans Chinese products, nothing is going to happen for them. Definitely, I do agree. Nothing is going to happen to China. See, the intention of China is very different. They have a very different hidden agenda. So I don't want to get into all those things. I'm just trying to tell that let's support made in India products. Let's try to avoid made in China products. Let's try to manufacture, make things in India. If you are a person involved in manufacturing or supplying things to the government or some companies, and you get your things manufactured in China, please try to explore the possibility of getting that done in India, giving some jobs to India, make some factories. Or yeah, it is headache. I do understand that. I see, unless we take all these headaches and try to change things, nothing is going to change. We will be always depending on China for all our things, and we are in fact getting more towards Chinese things. Lots of Chinese products are coming in, toys, even utensils. What are things? You just go to supermarket and look into things. It would be a branded thing or an Indian brand, but it would be made in China. So even all many Indian brands are taking the help of Chinese manufacturing system and taking the advantage. But in a way, we are sort of getting dependent on them. It's not really a great thing to do. Let's try our best. So that's all for now. A short video on use Indian products, use made in India products, support made in India products. That's the only thing what I want to say. Bye for now. Take care.